Hello, my name is Cody Dunlap, and this is my EDL 850 Module 1 introductory video. A little bit about me. My wife and I have been married for 2.5 years, and we have a 1-year-old at home. She's getting very mobile, very talkative, and just a bundle of joy in our lives. We live in Natoma, Kansas, which is about 45 minutes northeast of Hays. That's where I teach first grade here, and this will be upcoming on my 6th year teaching. All have been here. Other than teaching, I also coach high school football and high school girls basketball. A little bit about our district. We're pretty small, very rural, small 1A school, about 130 kids total, preschool through 12. Something else that's interesting about our district is that we're moving to a 4-day school week next year. The school board and administration had public forums and felt like this was our best option financially, for sure. And just a proactive step to keep ahead of the curve as we're kind of awaiting our financial future, basically, from Topeka. So, my reflection on the administration that I see here in our district, we have our requirements at the beginning of the year. This year with the new administrator, we got to view those and take those little assessments on our own, which we used to do all together at our first in-service. But this year we had a 2-week window that we got to complete those. Also, our administration is very good about sending out emails or forwarding emails that they get from the Kansas Association of School Board or the Kansas Department of Education when they get them. Some of the emails are very they're very informative. A lot of times they're very heavy, and our principal usually highlights what is the most important articles in the email. As far as my knowledge of school law, it's pretty limited. When I don't know something, I don't hesitate to send an email or to stop in the principal's office and ask a few questions. Our school district had some dealings with DCF this year, and there was some important information gained by me in the process, just sitting down with this principal and kind of seeing his end of those dealings with that agency. All of the educators here have access to our negotiated agreement with the school board and the student-teacher handbook, so just keeping up to speed on the policies within our district. And again, our principal and superintendent, which is tied together here in Natoma, our principal is very good about sending out little snippets, little notes from the school board meeting, so that if we were not able to attend, we kind of keep up to speed on what happened. So that's very informative and something to definitely keep hold of. But my plan to continue to improve and enhance my knowledge of school law is to soak up as much as I can from this class. I bought the textbook with the intent to keep it after the class is done, just as a resource to have. I don't get to very many school board meetings, but try to attend as many as possible just to kind of hear the dialogue and see what's happening at that level and as it trickles down to the educators in the building. Also, to just check KASB and KSDE for myself for any information they have on their websites, because I know that they keep a lot on there. And also something that's been important for me as an educator is social media, and just taking time out to check out the hashtag KSLeg when the Kansas legislature is in session. So that is my Module 1 introductory video. I look forward to learning alongside all of you in this class. Thank you.